Hello guys, today we are going to discuss a trade for Solana. As you can see, the market is showing some upward movement. 2 days ago, Sol formed a strong support level at 140.2 and then it surged to a high of 148.8. After that, we witnessed the price drop to 142.12, forming a higher low, and then bounce back, creating a new higher low. Looking at the 4-hour candle chart, we can observe a long wick candle forming a recent higher low. This is a bullish sign, maybe for temporary, indicating that the price might continue to move upward. However, we are not going to take a long position here. Instead, we are going to take a short position targeting the 140 support level because price will come to correct and retrace again. Long position chances are really low for today. Our short trade will be between 148 and 145. This is because we are expecting the price to drop from this level and we want to capitalize on that movement. Our target will be 141 or 142 and our stop loss will be 149. This means that if the price moves against us and hits 149, our trade will be automatically closed, limiting our losses. Now let's calculate our risk to reward ratio. This is a crucial step in trading as it helps us to determine whether a trade is worth taking or not. In this case, our risk to reward ratio is around 2.3, which is quite attractive. This means that for every dollar we risk, we have the potential to earn 2.3. Our take profit target is around 141 and our entry is between 145 and 148. This trade is worth taking as the price is trending within a trend line. The trend line is a crucial tool in technical analysis as it helps us identify the direction of the market. In this case, the trend line is indicating that the price is likely to continue moving downward. If we look at the bigger picture, we can see that the price trended from 159 to 187, then dropped back down to 141, and now it's moving back up. However, we are not expecting the price to continue moving upward from here. Instead, we are expecting to drop back down to the 140 support level. In the 15-minute time frame, we can see that the 200 EMA is above and the price is moving back down. The 200 EMA is a crucial indicator as it helps us identify the direction of the market. In this case, the 200 EMA is indicating that the price is likely to continue moving downward. The only support level we have is around 141, which is why we are targeting that level. We are expecting the price to drop down to this level and then bounce back up. However, we are not going to take a long position here. Instead, we are going to take a short position targeting the 141 support level. If you have any questions about this trade, feel free to ask in the chat. I have pinned the Sol point so you can trade directly from our live stream, and don't forget to follow me and you will receive notification when I go live. Soon I will share multiple live streams in a single day, so you might have multiple options to choose a trade from. So don't forget to follow me. So here are some additional details to keep in mind. Trend line and analysis. The price is trending within a trend line, which suggests that it will continue to move in the direction. Support and resistance levels. We have identified the 141 support level, which is our target risk management. Our risk to reward ratio is around 2.3, which means we are risking 1, potentially earn 2.30.